Hello everyone. In today's video, we will go over how to get approved for a $5,000 loan with Fairstone. First, head to Fairstone's website and check their loan eligibility requirements. You will need to be of legal age and have a proof of income, valid ID, and credit history. You can apply online or visit a Fairstone branch for online applications. Fill out the form with your personal and financial details such as employment status and monthly income. After submitting your application, you will be asked to upload or provide documents like your ID, pay stubs, and bank statements. Once your documentation is reviewed, Fairstone will assess your credit worthiness. If approved, you will receive a loan offer, which you can accept or negotiate. Upon accepting the loan terms, Fairstone will deposit the funds directly into your bank account, usually within a few business days. And that is how you can get approved for a $5,000 loan with Fairstone. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.